Yo, what's up? The Kuta Paradiso Hotel. I'm in Kuta today in the Discovery area, Kartika Discovery Mall area. Yeah, it's wonderful afternoon. Little cloudy, but it's very nice. I will quickly show you the area where there's so many restaurants, seafood restaurants everywhere over here. As you can see, nothing has changed through the past few other videos what I make. Everything, literally everything is unfortunately closed. So it's a bit sad, but yeah, nothing has changed. Nothing actually, no new informations. Many people asking us daily when Bali will be open for international tourism. I don't know. It's no official information and no even nobody gossip anything about that. So unfortunately, I'm so sorry. I don't know. But if something gonna change, loud bikes everywhere. But if something gonna change, definitely I will inform you guys on my vlog. Kuta Paradiso is open, and I'm coming actually already since Discovery Mall, because I left my bike there in Discovery Mall. And yeah, this is the one hotel what is open, and also Hotel Melasti is open. So it's super cool. Some tourists over here, local one, but after that everything on this street. Yeah, look how it looks like. I don't know why whenever I hear the loud bike somewhere it distracts me a lot. This hotel is very nice actually. Sounds like a interesting style. Here is the Nasi Jingo for 5K. This is the Hotel Melasti, and it's I think open, or maybe not. Here is some warung. Was the guy who was asking me about having drink. Hello. No, thank you so much. Just wanna show your warung, you know.
Oh yes, okay.
Yeah. Many people, no?
No,
I can see that. Hotel is closed, open?
hotel open.
Oh, Melasti is open. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck, my friend. So the Hotel Melasti is actually open. It's one of the very old hotels in Kuta area, in this side. So all is good. All is grand. Unfortunately, this restaurant is not open, as you can see. Resto Melasti closed. This hotel, Kuta Kartika, is open, and it's only 150k a day, which is super cheap. Hotel Karti, only 150k per night, so which is like a 11 US dollars per night in the heart of the Kuta. Really not so bad. Probably 3-star hotel, however, is really not so bad. Also I saw on the way here one hotel also in Kuta, forgot the name, was cost only 3 million per night, so which is really cool. Oh. Almost like a Tarzan in the jungle. So like I said, you can have a hotel in Kuta right now for 3 million per month, which is about 220 US per month. Imagine that. But only in the Kuta area, and probably they are usually 3 stars. However, if you're looking for cheap accommodation during this time, it's possible to have it in the hotel, which is super cool. Of course, in the Kuta area, if you like living in the Kuta area, especially during these times, not much is happening here, but yeah, why not? I mean, I wish to stay 1 month in the hotel actually for 220 bucks. Will be cool. You don't need to clean, you don't need to care about anything. Bubba Gump, famous American brand, closed. And this is actually very nice hotel. I really like it. One more time, Bubba Gram Shrimps. It's closed. This is the famous ATM center. If you have never been in Bali, you should consider that, as here is so many people every single time, but not today. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yes, I maybe laugh. I shouldn't laugh, but it's actually, well, I'm trying to be optimistic no matter of what. So this is the Bali Garden. I should make a selfie over here. Will be nice for the thumbnail. I hope so. Will attract many people if I'm gonna have a selfie over here. What do you think, guys? I'm not sure if it's open, but I think it's closed because everything there, it's closed. All right, just make a selfie using this camera and using the also phone. This is the security, but he didn't want, I don't know, talk with me. I think the hotel is open actually. Open. I think the hotel must be open because I think we was looking to stay there with Winnie once. Just the bars everywhere around, they are closed. But after that, yeah, maybe the hotel is actually open. Now it's very difficult to say hotel is open or is closed because, well, what I can say is just, even if it's open, it's just not many people around, and hotel usually is closed in some parts. At some parts. Okay, I have to cross the road quickly. And this is the famous water boom, Bali Kuta. One of our daily watchers watching us every single day asked me to fly drone over here. I'm not sure if it's the good idea, best idea, mate, but anyway, this is how it looks, the water boom. It's open, so it's actually super cool as it's open. And this is already the Discovery shopping mall, and this is the Bamboo Bar and Grill. I used to eat in this restaurant, Bamboo Grill. I used to eat my first dinner where I was first time in Bali. Can you imagine that? The lunch I used to eat there in the mall on the beach side, and I used to have dinner over here. I don't remember what I had. That was very nice. Unfortunately, it's closed. So yeah, that's how it looks, the mall over there. As you can see, I just gonna stop for a while to just show you how is the situation about the traffic in this area, because usually is very busy, but maybe not today. This is the Sephora. They put some renovations over there. This is the drive-through, I mean drop-off pickup service. This is the restaurant what I used to talk about, water boom over there. I'm heading to the mall, but it's music very loudly. I hope so. I'm not gonna get the stairs doesn't work. I hope so. I'm not gonna get a copyright strike because of music, but this is live band, so should be fine. I hope so, will be fine. But meanwhile, one more shot about how it looks situation on the top of the mall. This is the water boom over there. Here was the Starbucks. I mean, Starbucks is always open, and Cold Stone ice cream unfortunately closed. Very nice ice cream, by the way. Starbucks, well, I'm not gonna go to Starbucks, I think. Whew, I got a little bit tired. Oh, nice girls inside. Maybe I should go to Starbucks actually. As you can see, decorations for Chinese New Year. Yeah, I will go to the mall. All right, coming to the mall. No mask, no service. Thank you so much, my friend. So as you can see, it's some party over here. I don't know what's going on. But there's no people over here. I mean, I'm just recording them right now. Beautiful paintings. Well, I used to make a vlog over here some time ago, but it's always good to make a vlog one more time in Discovery more, because this is very famous place in Kuta. This is the first tourist destination from around the world since very long time. I mean, many people who coming to the Bali first time and they landing in Kuta, they must visit this mall, and that's happened to me many years ago when I came first time. I stay not so far away, and of course I used to passing this mall almost every day and buy the merchandise over here, everything over here. You know how is it? Oh dear, this is the mall, but it seems little bit, I don't know what the mascot was, but that was not Pikachu today. If you're watching me already for a longer time, some people already joking as Pikachu must follow me wherever I go to each mall in Bali, because the Pikachu is everywhere. But maybe not today. Somebody also joked that the Pikachu is gone. No, they just not today. Alright, I think I'm not gonna show you much more about mall because there's nothing here. I mean, literally nothing is happening, so it's time to go outside. I really always like the Chinese decorations. Oh my god, this is the top of the mall, Discovery Mall. Why I'm showing my face, I show you at the front how it's look the situation, because yeah, that's how it look. Very beautiful, but extremely super quiet. Not much to say even. We was with Winnie over here 2 months ago, maybe month ago. Squirrel over there, we used to eat there. It's actually quite cheap now, they have a promotions. Also here, I think I used to have there long time ago my first lunch. Here's some food trucks. Golden tip about the food trucks in Bali, they are very expensive, much more expensive than elsewhere around the world. I don't know why, but you have to be careful. Lumpia seller, some rubbish. It's very low tide, so basically you can walk everywhere around. Some people on the beach said so yeah. So basically that's how it looks situation in the Discovery Kartika Plaza mall and the Kuta area of this part of the Kuta. I know it's very familiar area for many of you guys, so I hope so you enjoyed. I just want to say my personal thoughts, as I think whenever I come in here regularly, about once a month, once every 2 months, as you know. And I get a feeling as more often I come and more later, I mean through the time, now is 2021, almost 1 year where we have this mess, it's just less quiet. I don't know, it's like before when I used to walk was some people, but now it's like almost nobody. Anyway, that's how it looks the situation. I hope so you enjoy. Like always, something new tomorrow. See ya, take care. 4 p.m. See ya. Forgot to mention, as it's 5:30 p.m. so it's not morning time or something. It's supposed to be very busy. Okay, check this out. This is the nice car. That's the Hummer H3. It's quite rare in Bali, I have to say. Very nice. Oh, H2, sorry, my bad.